In 2020, Uniswap decentralized trade was at the focal point of the publicity around decentralized finance, DeFi. The stage sent off its local cryptographic money, Uniswap Uni, in September 2020. The symbolics cost blast, and in several days, Uni previously was in the main 40 cryptographic forms of money by market capitalization. What is the eventual fate of Uni cryptographic money, and what is a potential Uniswap cost expectation? Figure out in this video what is Uniswap. Uniswap decentralized trade was at first delivered in November 2018. The stage is a DApp in light of the Ethereum blockchain, which empowers the trading of Ether to an assortment of ERC20 tokens. Uniswap boosts liquidity suppliers by giving them commission expenses. Uniswap cryptographic money was sent off in 2020 and presently is utilized for casting a ballot rights, principal improvements, and so on. Uni is an ERC20 token recorded on Binance, Huobi Global, Kraken, Crypto.com, and different trades. In 2021, the Uni token began its presentation amazingly, alongside the entire digital currency market. In January, Uni's cost was just $5, and before the month's over, this figure moved to $20. The symbolic cost came to the $30 point as of now toward the finish of February. You can follow the Uniswap cost changes live in the gadget beneath. Why did the Uniswap project blast the year before? The most importantly reasons are the stage's ease of use and combination with the MetaMask wallet. Additionally, the clients are in full control of their confidential keys. The other DEX's connection points were not quite so natural as the Uniswap's. So a computerized market creator has a publicly released code. There is no structure book or any middle people. That is the reason this decentralized stage makes the course of trade smooth and simple. Uniswap depends on the automated market maker framework. Liquidity is made by pools with ERC20 tokens. Liquidity suppliers charge a commission on each trade, 0.3%. These expenses are diverted to the pool's hold reserve. Uni holders get 0.05% on each commission, while liquidity suppliers get the excess 0.25%. Uniswap isn't the primary task with yet it certainly advocated the advancement of this bearing, because of which other comparative conventions started to show up. Uni technical analysis. The cost activity has been allegorical alongside the entire crypto market for the beyond couple of months. The rate development is normal since Uniswap is sending off the third rendition, Uniswap v3. As per the clients by means of the TradingView stage, who are accountable for the Uniswap specialized investigation, anticipate Uni token to be on the main 5 altcoins list this late spring. They say that the individuals who contribute now get 3x benefit. Uniswap price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Uniswap costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Uniswap will be $5.86. The most extreme level that the Uni cost can reach is $6.71. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $6.09. Uni price forecast for May 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Uniswap toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Uni pace of $4.90 in March. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $4.44 and at $5.05, separately. June 2022. Uniswap price forecast. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their gauge for the Uni cost in April 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $4.87, while the most extreme could reach $5.29 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Uniswap may be around $5.05. Uni price August 2022. Uniswap price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Uni cost will be exchanged at $5.41 overall. June could likewise observe an expansion in the Uniswap worth to $5.76. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $5.18 in June 2022. Uni price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have dissected Uniswap costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July $5.52. The most reduced and top uni rates may be $5.33 and $5.97. October 2022. Uniswap price forecast. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the unit cost will be around $5.74. In August, the Uniswap cost might drop to at least $5.51. The normal pinnacle worth may be $6.19 in August 2022. Unit price forecast for November 2022. Having examined Uniswap costs, digital currency specialists expect that the unit rate could arrive at a limit of $6.48 in September 2022. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $5.67. For September, the estimated normal of Uniswap is almost $5.86. December 2022. Uniswap price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Uniswap cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $6.09. Crypto experts expect that in October 2022, the unit cost could vary somewhere in the range of $5.86 and $6.71. Uniswap price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Uniswap in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Uniswap will be around $8.72. The most extreme expected unit cost might be around $10.26. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $9.02 in 2023. Uniswap price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Uniswap in 2024, UNI is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs. About $12.53 and $15.20, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $12.98. Uniswap price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of Uniswap and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base unit cost could drop to $18.03, while its greatest can reach $21.75. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $18.68. Uniswap price prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Uniswap by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least unit costs are normal in 2026. $31.92 and $25.87. By and large, it will be exchanged at $26.62. Uniswap price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the changes of Uniswap. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical unit cost will be around $38.31. It could drop to at least $37.25, yet it actually could reach $44.99 all through 2027. Uniswap price prediction 2028. Consistently, digital money specialists plan estimates at the cost of Uniswap. It is assessed that UNI will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $53.21 and $64.78 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $55.13 during the year. Uniswap price prediction 2029. Digital currency experts are prepared to declare their assessments of the Uniswap's cost. The year 2029 still up in the air by the most extreme unit cost of $93.41. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $78.11. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $80.87. Uniswap price prediction 2030. Following quite a while of investigation of the Uniswap cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their unit cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for no less than $118.91, with the conceivable greatest tops at $135.06. Overall, you can anticipate that the unit cost should be around $122.15 in 2030. Uniswap price prediction 2031. Digital currency examiners are prepared to declare their assessments of the Uniswap's cost.